Body cam shows Chicago officer shot by her own partner. Damn. Wait, that was crazy. The beatbox, first of all, can we talk about the beatbox was on the couch though? The beatbox on the couch, they just started running and shit. Then he came out with the Draco. No, not Draco, he just had a drum. You can't even see it for real. I guess he has a Glock. His Glock has, you can't even, shit, I can't frame it. But his Glock had a drum with it. You see that circle? There's a drum on it. They just bust through it. Oh, that's crazy.
Shot fired, police!
Ace with Jackson.
Yeah.
Come here.
Hey!
Let me see your hands.
Let me see your fucking hands, bro! Let me see your hands! Give me your fucking hands!
Is it police?
Shot fired at police! 10-1, 10-1! Shot fired at police! 82nd Drexel! 10-1, 10-1! Shot fired at the police!
All units head over there. 82nd and Crystal, 10-1, shot fired at the police.
Yo, what?
Crystal, you good? 10-1, shot fired at the police!
That's some shit.
We have a 10-1. We need an
She not even responding.
Get an ambulance! Ambulance, now! I can't get my partner!
She's not even responding.
Rolling an ambulance for 82nd and Crystal. We are rolling an ambulance.
Squad, my partner's hit! My partner's hit! Give me an ambulance, now!
We have an officer shot.
Oh no, this is why. This is why I couldn't get caught, man.
82nd and Crystal, 10-1. All units head over there. 82nd and Crystal.
Squad, I can't get to my partner. I'm upstairs. Roll the SWAT team. Roll the SWAT team.
Bro got the high girl, she got the low. Like, oh, this some real life, like,
All
Fortnite
units
shit, though.
head over there. 663 charges. We're rolling an ambulance.
Hey, call the police! Call them! Yeah! Squad, roll everybody. Roll the SWAT team, SWAT.
Oh, a SWAT team? Like 3 people? SWAT team.
Ambulance is rolling.
Or using
663 charges.
peeps.
Ambulance
That
is rolling.
R6
We have an officer shot. 663 charges. Go ahead. We have ear. Are you running behind anybody?
Stay with me. Come on, Chris. Come on, Chris. Come on, Chris.
Let's catch up, man. Let's catch up.
Stay with me, Chris. Stay with me. Stay with me.
Now, I should just bust out the fucking and start shooting.
Stay
Stay with me.
Let me see. You ass shit.
Open, hurry! Yeah, Crystal, shot. Get her in the car. Get her in the car. Get her in the car now. Take this. Get her in the car. Get her in the car. Take her to university. Now. Squad, full squad now.
That's wow. That's actually wow. No bad.